Welcome back, legends. Today you'll see why Ray was punished.
And no, it's not for barking at the sausages, or maybe it is.
Phil's already mixing. Mayo, ketchup, mustard.
3 sauces, 1 destiny. Flavor overload.
Pickles and onions chopped finer than my paycheck.
Meanwhile, Bill's just thinking about the meaning of butter.
Stirring, focus, concentration.
And boom! Sauce unlocked.
Bill slices sausages like a samurai.
Bill melts butter like he's scoring a movie.
Then, corn joins the battlefield.
Steam, patience, and one hungry dog watching.
Wait, Ray's plotting something.
His ears just moved. That's never good.
Cheese mountain in progress. Hard, melted, creamy.
Warning, visual satisfaction 100%.
Look at that melt.
And Ray's already calculating the theft route.
Bill throws sausages right on the coals.
That's not cooking, that's action cinema.
Phil cuts the buns like he's sculpting art.
Someone give these guys a Netflix deal.
Wait, flashback. Remember Burger Fatality?
If not, go watch it. After you subscribe, obviously.
Assembly time! Bun, lettuce, sauce, sausage.
And that creamy cheese corn lava on top.
That's not a snack, that's a life choice.
Speaking of choices, guys, from which country are you watching us?
Yeah! Drop it in the comments. We're mapping the world of hot dog lovers.
Uh-oh. Ray's operation begins.
He's stealing the bun again, unstoppable criminal.
Justice incoming.
Sentence: 1 hour without snacks.
Taste test. Pure crunch and happiness.
Even Ray's drooling in slow motion.
Don't forget to hit subscribe if your stomach made noise.
And comment your flag emoji. Let's see who's watching where.